The United Kingdom is one of the best options for pursuing education abroad. It is not only a student-friendly country, but also a multicultural country as students come from around the world to study in the UK. The country welcomes the students wholeheartedly to study and also be permanent residents. Many international students wanting to study in the UK have a question in their mind: is it possible to get PR in the UK after study? Yes, it is possible if you fulfilled the requirements. Here we have simplified the process into 5 simple tips. Number 5. Get accepted into universities in the UK. To get PR in the UK, first step will be to get admission to the UK university. Studying in the UK is the greatest decision any student could ever make because the UK is worldly empowered by their quality of higher education, facilities, and global connection. The decision to move from one country to another for higher education is undoubtedly a big decision. We think that such a decision should be made only after enormous analysis. Every year around 5 million plus international students come to the UK to study. This is surprisingly a large number, but there are many factors, including personal, social, and economic reasons for such a huge number of students who come to study in the UK. Different universities have different eligibility criteria and requirements. But some of the common requirements are: all the mark sheets of previous education, the English language proficiency requirement, statement of purpose, letter of recommendation, certificates of extracurricular activities. Number 4. Get a student visa in the UK. The application process for a student visa for the UK is not so complicated. A Tier 4 student visa is the longest stay visa and will also help you to get PR in the UK. It is always recommended to apply for it at least 3 months before the course starts in any scheduled place. The student visa application fee for the UK is £330. The healthcare charge is around £150 each year, which checks your medical fitness. It is the most important part or step in getting PR in the UK for international students. Number 3. Work during your studies in the UK. It is very easy for students to find an internship. Students of Tier 4 visa can work for up to 20 hours per week and full-time during summer and Christmas and can earn about £1,200 to £1,500 a month. An internship will not only provide money but will also help to improve your resume. This is another important part of how to get PR in the UK working while studying. But there are a few rules you need to follow to work in the UK while studying. There will be a lot of job opportunities around you in the UK. Number 2. Getting employed. The post-study work visa in the UK allows international students to stay in the United Kingdom even after their graduation, so that they may find work over there for at least 2 years. The new rules for the visa are going to affect all the international students who are going to start their studies. After the completion of their graduation, if they get a PSW visa, they will be allowed to do any job they will be able to find for the first 2 years. And afterward, their goal will be to transit into a general work visa. In the context of how to get PR in the UK, this is the most important part for international students. Apart from this, the UK has a Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 5 visa which allows international students to set up a business and is the graduate entrepreneur visa. All the biggest companies in the world have their offices across the United Kingdom. After completion of a degree, the UK welcomes international students to work there. Students can apply for a job of their liking. Number 1. Apply for permanent residency in the UK. You can apply for a permanent residence card in the UK after completing 5 full years of a graduate job. To become a permanent resident, the applicant should get the indefinite leave to remain (ILR) visa. A full-time job, a good code of conduct, and having no criminal record will help in securing the ILR visa in the UK. You need to pass the test of life in the UK, as well as a recognized English language proficiency test. The process of obtaining an ILR visa can take a maximum of 6 months. For the ILR, the following details are collected: a current passport, 2 passport-size color photographs, digital prints of all the 10 fingers, signature, name, Date and place of birth. Present immigration status. Present studying or working status. And there you have it. Top 5 tips on how to settle in the UK. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to check out other videos on our channel, you might like them. I'll see you in the next video.